Okay, I'm gonna show you around the office. Animation school. This one. And this is a hat. Why are you standing? The office.
Guys, diba? Mahal na yun. Mahal na lang yun.
The kitchen. Plus, I just this everything.
May malaki na. Wala.
Ito.
Naparenovate niya na 1 million. May laki na ng bahay niya agad. Meron pang ano sa likod yun. Maid's quarters. Meron ba? Sa 1M, ganun kalaki yung bahay.